Good morning everyone. Welcome to your EVS class. In previous classes we have read our chapters 3. We have discussed about family, what is family, how many types of families are there. Yes or no? How many types of families are there? A joint family, a big family, nuclear family, single parent family, and we have discussed the definition of that and how we can make our family a happy family. We have also discussed that. So today we will do the question answers which is given in your textbook. Okay, so now just take out your book. You will write these answers in your book while I will mention in the blackboard. Okay, so first it is given that fill in the blanks. So what is given? Now first one is given your fill in the blanks. Okay, so let's write the question first. It is given A, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. So first question, first is your parents and children make a dash family, Okay, number second is your family members that love each other form a dash family. Okay, now you just think the answer. I will discuss is after writing the questions. So grandparents, third number is grandparents, parents and children make a dash family. Number 4, we should dash and dash our elders. Number 5, in a joint family there are dash. You have to mention family members. Okay, so let's discuss. So number 1, it is given that parents and children. If in a family there are parents and the children. So tell me, which family is it? Tell me. Yes, small family. Or you can write what? Nuclear family. You have also given that it is also written in your book also that may be a small family or a nuclear family. If you will write small, this will be also correct. And if you will write what? Nuclear family. If you will write nuclear family, that will be also correct. Okay, if you will write small family, that is also correct. And if you will write small family, that will be also correct. Next, number 2 is family members that love each other form a dash family. Family members that love each other form a, yes, very good, happy family. So that is a happy family. Next question is given to you that grandparents, parents and children make a dash family. A family in which grandparents also living with parents and the children. So that is your which family? Yes, big family. So it will be a big family. Number 4 is given that we should dash and dash our elders. So what we should? Now we should give respect to them and we should love them. So we should respect and love. respect and love our elders. Number 5 question is, in a joint family there are who are living with them? Yes, what you can write? Now grandparents, next parents, uncle, aunt, yes or no? Uncle, aunt, cousins and their children. They live together in a joint family. If grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, cousins and children are there, that means that is a joint family. So have you completely written in the book the answers? Fill in the blanks. Yes. So now we will move to our next part. Okay. Now we will move to our next part, that is match the following. Okay. Next part is given, match the following. Let's do it. Match the following. Number B is your match the following. Okay. Match the following. Number 1 is mother's father. Number 2 is given mother's brother. Number 3 father's sister. Okay. Number 4 is given father's mother. Number 5 it is given aunt's son. Next, this side we will write number 8 is given cousin. Number B it is given aunt. Number C it is given grandfather. Number D it is given uncle. Number E it is grandmother. Okay, so let's match it. Okay, so number 1 is mother's father. So mother's father is your, yes, grandfather. You can simply match it or you can write number 1 here. There are 2 ways to match. So you can simply match it or you can write the number here. Okay. Then number 2, mother's brother. What? Mother's brother. Mother's brother is your uncle. So you simply can match it or you can write number 2 here. Next, father's sister. What? Father's sister. So father's sister will be your aunt. Number 3. Next, number 4, father's mother. Father's mother will be your grandmother. Okay, so you will put here number 4. Last one, aunt's son. Your aunt's son or daughter, that she will be your cousin. So number 5. Okay, have you completed it? Yes, now we will move to another one. Another one is given to you here, that what it is given? It is given draw number C. Number C is given draw a smiley, means a smile face for the true sentence, for the true state sentences. Okay. And a sad face for the false one. For the false one. Okay. So number 1 is given you that our mother's sister is our grandmother. Is our grandmother. So now you have to draw here the face. Okay. Number 2 is given families can be small and big. If it is true, then you have to make a small happy face, or if it is false, then you have to write what? Draw a sad face. Our father's brother is our uncle. Next, number 4, our parents' parents, okay, are our cousins. Next, number 5, it is given our mother's father is our grandfather. So now, if this statement is true, you have to draw a smile face, or if the statement is false, you have to draw the sad face. So let's start. Our mother's sister is our grandmother. No, she is our aunt. So this will be a sad face. Okay. So this will be a sad face. Next, families can be small and big. Yes, families can be small and big. So it will be a true. It is a true statement. So we will draw a smile face. Next, our father's brother is our uncle. Our father's brother is, yes, uncle. So it is a true statement. So we will draw a smile face. Next, our parents' parents are our cousins. No, they are our grandparents. So it will be a sad face. Our mother's father is our grandfather. Yes, it's true. So it will be a smiley face. So draw this, everyone. Complete it. Okay. So next we will move to question answers. They answer the following. Okay, answer these questions. Let's move to this. Next is answers these questions. We will do number D, that is answer these questions. Okay. Number 1, first question is given to you. What it is given to you? Now, what is the difference between? Number 1 is, what is the difference? What is the difference between a nuclear family and a joint family? Okay, so in this, what you can do now, if we will, how you will write this answer? There is given difference between. If there is a simple way to find out the differentiate, how? Now let me tell you that what you can do. First, answer here. Okay, you will write here nuclear family. Next, put a mark here, line, then joint family. Now we'll discriminate it. Okay. So let's start. So first we will mention the definition of nuclear family. What I have told you, the family in which parents and their children are living together in a house, that is your what? Nuclear family. So a family, number one, a family in which parents and their children live together in a house is called nuclear, or is known as, you can write, is known as nuclear family. Okay, next, number one. Here again we will write the definition of your joint family, which is also given in your book. You can write that same same definition, that a family in which parents, grandparents, a family in which parents, grandparents, next what? Uncle, aunt, cousins and children live together in a house is known as what? Joint family. Okay, next definition, next what you can write? Now here in number 2 you can write, it is also known as small family. Okay, and okay, in number 2 in joint family, what you can write? Now it is also known as what? Big family. Okay, so this is the difference you can show. Okay, and if you will write in this way, you can remember the definitions briefly. Okay, next question is your, what is the next question? Let me erase this. Okay, so next question is your, how is a big family different from a joint family? How, number 2 is, how a big family different from a joint family. Okay, so you can here also you can write the definition, in while writing definition you can discriminate it. Answer, a family in which grandparents also stay with the parents and their children. Are big families, whereas the families in which grandparents, uncle, aunt, parents, cousins and children live together are joint families. Okay, so in this way big family is different from joint family. Next question is your next question is your what is your next question? The next question, how do your parents show their love for us? Now number 3, how do our grandparents show their love for us? How they can show their love? Now they used to, number 1, answer. What? Now they can, how our grandparents used to what? Show their love. Now they help us, they look after us, they used to tell our stories, they take care of us by helping our what? In our homeworks also. Now our grandparents show their love. Our grandparents can show their love in many ways. In love for us in many ways. Now tell me what are the ways? Tell me what are the ways? What are that ways? Now number 1, they tell us, okay, bedtime stories. Next, what? They help us in doing homeworks, Now next, they play with us. Okay, so these are the ways in which they can show their love to us. Next is number 4 is your what is a happy family? So tell me, what is a happy family? Now number 4, what is a happy family? What is a happy family? Now family which lives together, okay, a family members that love each other form a happy family. This answer is very simple, that family members that love each other forms a happy family. Okay, the last question now remain, that who are our cousins? So last question is, who are our cousins? So who are our cousins? Now what you will write? Who are our cousins? Now the children of all our uncle and aunts are our cousins. So what you will write here? I have given you the definition, that the children of all our uncles and aunts and ants are our cousins. Okay, are our cousins. So here, after writing this, we have finished our chapter 3, all the question answers. You just read at your home. Okay, so bye everyone, be safe, keep learning. Okay.